One of my favorite books is Bill Bryson's A Short History of Nearly Everything. Now, I've bought and given it away at least 3 times. I've read it more than 20 times. Now, there's a passage in the book about supernovas. You know, stars that go boom. Now, for a computer, it is easy to look at thousands of images and notice the differences in star fields. When a star is suddenly much brighter, something has happened out there. But Bryson describes a man who does this manually. He looks through a telescope, scans the sky with his own eyes, and relies on memory. And when something changes, he notices. Now Bryson asks him, "Aren't you tempted to use a computer for this?" And his answer feels very familiar today, especially for some developers thinking about AI. He says, "Oh no, I enjoy doing things manually too much." And that line sticks with me, because in the age of AI, we are facing the same question in software development. AI can write code, organize ideas, and even build entire features. Some developers fully embrace it and shift into more of a manager role, letting Copilot or other tools do most of the work. I say, good for them. But what about the rest of us? What about the group of developers who are in the game because, just like the guy from the book, they enjoy doing things manually? It is time to realize, and I think it's happening right now, that AI, like all tools, can be used in different doses. Now, if Bert wants to create everything with AI, let him do it. But if you enjoy writing code, why should you stop doing it? Tell me what you think about this in the comments. Are you the full AI guy or the guy who sits back with a cup of tea and enjoys hammering out the code yourself? And there is one more thing the man in the book says that really matters. I still beat them sometimes. He means that his way of working still sometimes spots things that the computer misses. So, if you're the type who loves to spot supernovas manually, know that you are not alone, and I hope that this video helps you feel a bit better in a world where AI is trying to take your hobby from you.